Trump presidency and what's been a critical 24 hours for the president's push to reform immigration, and the big news today from the U.S. Supreme Court, where the justices heard oral arguments over the president's travel ban. CBS 4's Eliott Rodriguez has more on that and a DACA decision in a different federal court. Eliott's in the control room. Eliott.
Rick, that's right. The Trump administration argued before the nation's highest court today that the president's travel ban is needed for security, but challengers say the ban unfairly targets Muslims. And some court observers believe the president may get his way. Audio recordings of today's arguments show that conservative justices asked questions indicating the language of the travel ban should be judged separately from the president's language on the campaign trail. Protesters stood outside the Supreme Court as justices took on President Trump's travel ban.
The promise of America is open to every single human being, regardless of how they pray and how they worship.
We hope that the Supreme Court will do the right thing and will strike it down.
The court is considering the president's third version of the policy. It's more limited than the first version, targeting 7 countries, most with predominantly Muslim populations. But Solicitor General Noel Francisco told the justices it's not a Muslim ban.
It omits the vast majority of the world, including the vast majority of the Muslim world, because they met the baseline. It now applies to only 7 countries that fall below that baseline or had other problems.
Hawaii brought the suit. The state argued the ban is unlawful for 3 reasons.
It conflicts with Congress's policy choices, it defies the bar on nationality discrimination, and it violates the First Amendment.
Another immigration policy is also under challenge. On Tuesday, a federal judge ruled against the president's decision to end the DACA program, which protects some young immigrants from deportation. But it's just one judge's ruling. Many expect the issue will eventually end up, just like the travel ban, before the Supreme Court. And the court is expected to make a decision regarding the travel ban in late June. In the DACA case, the judge gave the Trump administration 90 days to justify how it implemented the new policy.